Most people think investing is something that happens in fancy offices, between people in suits, trading stocks, surrounded by numbers that don't make sense to anybody. But the truth is that investing isn't just for finance pros or bros. It's for anyone who wants to build freedom, not just money. And today, I'll show you why that mindset shift could change your entire financial future. Hi, my name is Busayo and welcome back to Global Money Talk, where we break down finance in a way that's clear, approachable, and made for you. Investing used to feel like an exclusive club. You needed access, knowledge, and let's be honest, a certain level of wealth. But things have changed. With all the info we have at our fingertips, the tech available, and how financial tools have evolved, the game is way more accessible now. You don't need a fancy finance degree or connections on Wall Street. What you need is some understanding, a little discipline, and a solid plan. Here's how I think about it. Money moves in two directions, as I mentioned in the previous video, between people who have it and people who need it. Investing is the bridge between these two sides. When you invest, you're not just buying assets. You're helping businesses grow, you're helping governments build infrastructure, and helping people bring ideas to life. Your money becomes part of something much bigger. And that is what finance really is. A system of opportunities, not just a system of wealth. Think about it like this. If you keep all your money sitting in a bank account, it slowly loses money to inflation. But when you invest, you give your money a job. It starts working for you. Earning, compounding, growing, that's the quiet power behind every smart investor. And the earlier you understand that, the more you benefit from one of the strongest forces in finance, which is time. Yeah, time is very important. Now let's clear up a big misconception. Investing isn't about guessing the next big stock or chasing quick wins. It's about creating a plan that works for you, for your goals, your values, your comfort with risk. Yes, sure, the pros might use fancy tools and charts, but at the core, investing really comes down to a few simple ideas. Spend less than you make, save a little each month, and invest what you can smartly. Even top investors stick to these basics. So no, you don't need to be a finance expert to get started. What you need is consistency and a little discipline. These days, there are so many ways to get started. Investment apps, index funds, you name it. Investing has never been more accessible. But the thing that really counts is the human side of it. No algorithm can teach you patience. No app can give you confidence. And no chart or data point can make you believe you deserve financial growth. That part is all mindset. If there is one thing I've learned studying global finance and observing investor behavior, it's that the biggest difference between those who build wealth and those who don't is not knowledge, it is consistency. The average investor loses money not because they pick bad investments, but because they panic, they pause, or they quit when things get tough. Professionals stay calm because they trust the process. And that's exactly the mindset you can adopt to without ever stepping foot on a trading floor. So how do you start? Let's talk practically now. The first step is to learn how money really moves. Once you see how saving, borrowing, and investing all connect, the fear starts to fade. You can watch this video here. I'll leave the link in the description as well. And the next step is to set clear goals. Don't invest just because everyone else is investing. Oh, it's trendy and I'm missing out if I'm not doing it too. No. Know why you're doing it. Is it for financial freedom, retirement, generational wealth, stability? It all depends on your goals. Now, the third step is to start small, but start now. Time in the market beats timing the market every single time. Let that sink in, okay? Even small, consistent contributions grow exponentially over time. It's not about luck. It's about structure, patience, and understanding that every pound, every dollar, or naira you invest is a step closer to independence. And if you want a simple, no jargon breakdown of all of this, I've created a free downloadable guide. It covers everything from how to think like an investor to the basics of building a long-term portfolio. The link is in the description box. Go grab your copy and start learning today. Okay, let's wrap it all up with these 3 reminders. Investing isn't for the elite. It's for everyone. Consistency beats complexity. And the third one, your mindset determines your results more than your income ever will. It's not about how much you make. Okay, it's about the mindset. And if this helped shift how you think about investing, share this video with a friend who needs to hear this too. The more people understand money, the more empowered we all become. And don't miss the next episode of Global Money Talk, where we're going to talk about how to set up your money the right way. If you've ever wondered what really needs to be in place before you start investing, that episode is going to save you a lot of stress. And remember, finance isn't just a language of numbers. It's a language of connection. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.